If you're over 60 and feel like your body isn't listening to you anymore, your arms feel weaker, your legs tremble when you stand, and you struggle to lift things that used to be easy, then you're about to discover something that could change everything. Because the truth is, muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable. There's one powerful food that can switch your body from losing strength to rebuilding it every single morning. And it all begins with what you eat at breakfast. Have you ever wondered why you feel like your strength is slowly slipping away, even though you eat healthy, take your supplements, and stay active? The answer lies in something most people over 60 have never heard of: sarcopenia, a silent condition that causes your muscles to shrink and weaken as you age. It's not just about getting older, it's your body losing muscle mass faster than it can rebuild it. Think of your muscles like a house that's slowly losing bricks every day, until one day the foundation can't hold you up anymore. Studies show that seniors can lose up to 40% of their muscle mass in just 1 year if they don't take the right steps. That's nearly half your strength gone. But here's the good news. You can fight back, and it starts tomorrow morning with one simple change to your breakfast. Imagine waking up and feeling light on your feet, standing taller and moving with ease again. You pour your coffee, you sit by the window, and instead of weakness, your body feels alive. That's not a dream, it's the power of giving your muscles exactly what they crave to rebuild. Because every night while you sleep, your muscles go through a powerful repair process. They break down from the activity of the day, but as you rest, your body goes into full repair mode, sending healing cells to rebuild those tiny muscle fibers stronger than before. But here's the catch. When you wake up, that rebuilding process needs the right nutrients to finish the job, and most seniors unknowingly stop it before it even begins. Let me explain. The morning is the most critical time for muscle recovery. Your body is like a sponge ready to absorb the nutrients it needs to rebuild tissue. Yet, what do most seniors start their day with? Toast, cereal, or a quick muffin? These foods may seem harmless, but they send your blood sugar skyrocketing, causing your body to release insulin that blocks muscle repair. You might not realize it, but every bite of white bread or sugary cereal is slowing your muscle recovery and accelerating weakness. Now let's talk about the powerful food that can flip this story completely. Eggs. Yes, humble, simple eggs, but when used right, they're nature's purest muscle builder. Each egg is a perfect package of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals your muscles need to grow. Eggs are rich in leucine, a critical amino acid proven to trigger muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build and repair muscle tissue. Harvard researchers found that seniors who ate eggs regularly had 25% more muscle mass and better mobility compared to those who skipped them. That means something as simple as adding eggs to your breakfast can literally reverse years of muscle decline. Let me share a story that proves how powerful this can be. A 64-year-old woman named Margaret came to my clinic a few years ago. She was tired, weak, and constantly afraid of falling. Her hands trembled when she tried to open jars. Her legs felt like jelly when she climbed stairs. After examining her diet, I discovered that she was eating 2 slices of white toast with jam every morning. No protein, no healthy fats, nothing her muscles could use to rebuild. I told her to make one small change. Swap her toast for 2 boiled eggs and half an avocado. That's it. Within 3 months, she came back a different woman. She could lift grocery bags again, her balance improved, and her energy returned. When she looked at me, she said something I'll never forget. I feel 20 years younger. That's the power of the right breakfast. But eggs aren't the only secret. When you pair them with muscle-boosting foods like Greek yogurt, oats, and nuts, the results multiply. Greek yogurt gives your body an extra dose of high-quality protein and probiotics that improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Oats provide slow-burning energy that keeps your blood sugar stable, preventing insulin spikes that block muscle repair. And nuts, especially walnuts and almonds, supply magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle contractions and recovery. Now, here's what you should avoid in the morning if you want to stop muscle loss. Number 1. White bread. It might seem light, but it's loaded with refined carbohydrates that turn into sugar and damage your muscle recovery. Studies show seniors who eat white bread daily lose significantly more muscle mass over time. Number 2, sugary cereals. They flood your bloodstream with sugar, causing inflammation and muscle breakdown. Number 3, processed meats like sausages. They contain harmful preservatives and excess sodium that increase muscle fatigue and stiffness. Number 4, margarine or vegetable oils. These are full of trans fats that clog your arteries and slow nutrient delivery to your muscles. Number 5, fruit juices. They might sound healthy, but they're mostly sugar without the fiber your body needs to stabilize energy. Replace these with strength-building alternatives. Eggs, cottage cheese, bone broth protein, oatmeal topped with berries, or even a protein smoothie with a spoon of collagen powder. Yes, collagen. Because while most people focus on protein, they forget collagen is the glue that keeps your muscles, joints, and skin strong. After 60, your body makes less of it, which is why your muscles feel weaker and your skin thinner. But when you replenish collagen through your breakfast, like adding collagen peptides to your coffee or smoothie, you give your muscles the structural support they've been missing. Think of your breakfast as a construction site. Your body is the builder, and protein is the raw material. Without enough, your body can't rebuild the walls of strength you lose each day. But when you give it collagen, leucine-rich protein, and magnesium, it can finally rebuild those walls thicker and stronger. That's how you reverse sarcopenia naturally, by feeding your body exactly what it needs every single morning. And let's not forget one more critical ingredient: movement. No food can do all the work if your muscles aren't being used. Simple exercises like standing marches, wall push-ups, and calf raises after breakfast can supercharge the results. Studies from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that seniors who combined protein-rich breakfasts with light-resistance exercise gained double the muscle mass compared to those who only ate protein or only exercised. Imagine this. Your morning routine begins with a protein-packed breakfast: 2 eggs, a bowl of oats with nuts, and a cup of coffee with collagen powder. Then you take a short 10-minute walk or do gentle stretches. Within weeks, your muscles begin to feel firmer, your posture improves, and you wake up with more energy. That's not fantasy, it's biology working in your favor. The truth is, aging doesn't mean weakness. It means wisdom, resilience, and the chance to rebuild your body smarter than before. Your muscles may have lost some strength, but they haven't forgotten how to grow. They're waiting for you to give them the signal, and that signal is breakfast. Don't let another morning go by eating foods that silently steal your strength. Choose foods that help you stand tall, stay independent, and live life with confidence. Because one day, you'll look back and realize that the change you made at breakfast was the turning point, the moment you stopped losing and started winning back your body. So tomorrow morning, when you reach for your breakfast, remember this: every bite is a message to your body. You can tell it to weaken, or you can tell it to rebuild. The choice is yours. If this message inspired you, then let it be your first step toward a stronger tomorrow. Share this video with someone over 60 who deserves to live with energy and power again. And if you haven't yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Senior Hub, and hit the bell icon, because we're just getting started helping seniors reclaim their strength, vitality, and independence, one breakfast at a time.